Well, since the last time we filmed just a few minutes ago, there are many more souls out on the beach. And yes, I am channeling my inner Captain Jack Sparrow from Pirates of the Caribbean in celebration, recognition of the tropical storm, which could become a hurricane, Elsa. And for those of you who are not Floridians, I promise you that Disney did not concoct Elsa, the tropical storm, for your amusement and tourist pleasure. It is a real tropical storm / hurricane. And as such, I'm thinking these people ought to get back into their room, as crazy as they are. Look at all that. We are in the safety of our condo overlooking what seems to be, hey, you could mistake this for the Atlantic coast, but it is the Gulf Coast. Wow. And the tropical storm has not even officially hit yet. This is the craziness out on the beach with the waves and the wind. And I hope that we will get to see a coconut fall off of the coconut tree so we may partake of it. All right. Bye-bye.